Thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and excitement that I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you at CivilSalt OTAO Expo event. Today marks the inauguration of OTAO Expo, a grand celebration of technology and innovation that promises to showcase the forefront of cutting-edge advancement. In a world that is rapidly evolving, events like OTAO Expo plays a pivotal role in bringing together minds that dare to dream, explore, and create. This exhibition is not just an assemblage of gadgets. It is a testament to the boundless possibilities that emerge when human ingenuity meets technology dexterity. We are honored to have a diverse audience comprising of brilliant minds from various fields. We have engineers, scientists, entrepreneurs, students, and enthusiasts who have converged here to witness the unveiling of groundbreaking ideas and solutions. OTAO Expo is more than just a tech exhibition. It is a collaborative platform where ideas are born, partnerships are forged, and the future is shaped. As we embark on this exciting journey, I encourage you to explore the exhibits, engage in conversations, and immerse yourself in the technological wonders that surround us. OTAO Expo encompasses a wide spectrum of technological marvels that are poised to redefine our world, from business automation to sustainable innovations, and more across a wide variety of disciplines. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the sponsors and organizers without whom this event would not have been possible. Their unwavering support and commitment to fostering innovation have paved the way for this extraordinary gathering. So let us embrace the spirit of discovery, learning, and collaboration as we navigate through OTAO Expo, a CivilSalt initiative. May the ideas showcased here inspire you, the connections made here empower you, and the knowledge gained here propel you towards new horizons. Thank you for being a part of this phenomenal journey with us at CivilSalt. Now, as we are moving forward to unfolding the activities within OTAO Expo of November 2023, may the future of technology be brighter and more promising than ever before. With love, CivilSalt.